ますか、ません. Questions and negatives. In this video, you will learn how to use polite questioning and negation of verbs. For example, お酒を飲みますか? Do you drink alcohol? いいえ、飲みません. No, I don't drink. Review of the must form. The must form is the polite way to state actions like 飲みます or 食べます. Question. Making a question is simple. Just add か 飲みます becomes 飲みますか? For example, お酒を飲みますか? お酒 means alcohol. 飲む means drink. か shows that this sentence is a question sentence. And in Japanese, the subject is often omitted when the subject is clear from the context. So, this sentence means, do you drink alcohol? Negative. To make a negative sentence, change must and add n. N is used to show negation, like saying not in English. So, must becomes ません. For example, いいえ、飲みません. いいえ means no. 飲みません means don't drink. So, this sentence means no, I don't drink. The present tense in Japanese. In Japanese, the present tense can be used to talk about both the present and the future. For example, 毎日お茶を飲みます. 毎日 means every day. So this sentence means I drink tea every day. And 明日山に行きます. 明日 means tomorrow. So this sentence means I will go to the mountain tomorrow. If the sentence does not include any time words, the tense depends on the situation or context. The same sentence can mean the present or the future. It depends on the situation. For example, お茶を飲みます means I drink tea or I will drink tea. And 山に行きます means I go to the mountain or I will go to the mountain. Example sentences. 毎日お茶を飲みますか? Do you drink tea every day? 毎日お茶を飲みますか? はい、飲みます. Yes, I drink. はい、飲みます. 明日山に行きますか? Will you go to the mountain tomorrow? 明日山に行きますか？いいえ、行きません。No, I won't go. いいえ、行きません。家で映画を見ますか？ Do you watch films at home? 家で映画を見ますか？いいえ、見ません。No, I don't watch. いいえ、見ません。The next lesson is ました。The past tense of must. See you in the next lesson.